Alright guys, so on this 2015 Mazda 3 hatchback, we're going to be replacing the stock halogen brake lights for our LEDs, okay? So this one uses a 7443, okay? And we'll show you how to do that now. Alright guys, so to replace the brake light on this vehicle, it's going to be that blue plug right there, okay? All you're going to do is pretty much just twist it, pop it out, and then you pull out your old bulb and pop in the new one, right? Okay. Comes out just like that, okay? Alright, so pretty much once you got it here, just pop up the bulb, that easy. Put it aside, grab your new 7443. These are going to be red. So, put it here. There you go, clicked in. We'll test them out, make sure they work. There you go, no, it's working. And now all you gotta do is pop it back in. Alright, so if you can press it one more time. Gosh. Alright guys, so to get to the passenger side, it's pretty easy. It has a little lock here. Twist it, pops out, put it to the side, and your cabling is going to be all the way up here, okay? Alright, so pretty much it's going to be the blue plug, just like before. So we're going to reach in there, the furthest one to the end, twist it off, pop it out right there. Like I said before, use a glove, a rag, or something to help you pop out that bulb out, pretty much. These actually, you can see they're pretty, they have like a little smoking in there. It means these are going out, alright? So you just throw those to the side, get your new bulb, pop it in place. Cool. Make sure you always test them. There you go, you know it's working. Put it back into the spot. Okay, and there you go, you're done. So if you have any questions, concerns, please let us know. We're more than happy to help you out. Thank you.
Beautiful